Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting controllers and accounts ready. This avoids delays once the game runs. Connect both controllers and sign each player into a distinct console or Steam account so saves and progression track correctly. Once done, adjust display to a standard 16:9 if you need consistent split framing, and make sure there's enough local save space for a second character. These steps clear common launch blockers and make the next step, starting split screen, immediate and reliable. Load Borderlands 3 on the primary profile and enter your campaign or co-op lobby so the game is active. Then press the second controller's confirm button to trigger the join prompt. Pick an existing character or create a new Vault Hunter. Once the second player connects, make sure split screen is enabled in gameplay settings and tweak camera distance and HUD scale for comfort. These choices affect visibility and aim feel, so adjust them now before you head into combat to avoid mid-run reconfigurations. Finalize by testing movement, shooting, and audio for both players right away. This confirms input mapping and voice output are correct. If the second controller refuses to join, reconnect it, restart the game, and ensure both profiles are signed in. Most join failures come from account or connection issues. For low FPS or stuttering after split, lower in-game resolution or effects and toggle full-screen modes. These changes improve performance because split rendering demands more GPU power. With that done, you're ready to play together.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.